Welcome to today's video, guys. In this video, I'm going to talk to you a little bit about how to make money online by staying committed. And I have a comment from one of my YouTube subscribers that this is going to kind of center around. Okay, so some important things I want to talk to you about today. So I'm going to get you started on that right now. Welcome back to the video, guys. My name is Kevin Lehner, and if this is your first time here to my videos or to my channel and you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, don't forget to reach down there below and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to click the bell so you get notified when we upload new videos, which we do fairly regularly here. Alrighty, guys, also, and what we do here too, for those of you that are new to my videos, is we do affiliate marketing videos, how-to videos, general value videos, and anything to do with making money online. And also we'll throw up a motivational video once in a while for you too as well. Okay, alrighty, guys, well, with that out of the way here, I want to talk to you today. I had one of my YouTube subscribers posted a comment on one of my videos saying that they had started a Facebook group and were marketing, or are marketing, one of the products from ClickBank that they had saw on one of my videos. Okay, and they started a Facebook group, and after I think about just a few days, the person was a little bit discouraged because they hadn't sold anything yet. And the comment was basically a discouraging kind of a comment. I just wanted to talk to you a little bit about today about how you're going to make money online for the long term. It's not going to happen overnight. It's not going to happen in 3 or 4 days. It's not going to happen in months, and it may not happen in years. But the point is are you going to stay committed to what you're doing, or are you not? And that means through all of the depression, through all of the discouragement, through all of the time after time of putting in value, which is what you need to do, is to put value into the market first so that people can get to know you and like you and trust you. Then they will buy from you, and probably not until then. Now, you may get lucky and make a couple sales here and there, but if you're trying to make some sort of a large long-term business out of this, and you're trying to create a lifestyle or create financial freedom for yourself, it's going to take time. There's no such thing as overnight success. Guys, you got to know that it takes commitment to do this. There's no such thing as overnight success. There's no such thing as anybody getting rich for free either. You're going to have to understand that you're going to need to put some skin into your business. Otherwise, if you don't, you won't value it. You won't stay committed. If something is given to you for free, you'll last for a little while, but for the most part, you're not going to stay committed to it, and you're going to fall off through discouragement, and it won't be long before you won't be doing it anymore, and you'll just be complaining about it, and so on and so forth. And that's not good, guys. Yeah, you need to stay committed to what you're doing. You can start a business. If you're going to start a business, if you're looking to start a business online, or it works in the offline world too, in brick and mortar, if you're going to start a business, it's going to take time to build it. I think you guys know that most brick and mortar businesses, most offline businesses, it's 2 years before they even break even. Okay, they've invested their money to get the business going off the ground. And and most of them fail within 2 years before they even break even and begin to make a profit in that 3rd year. And the reason why is one of two things. Either it's bad planning, they didn't plan for it right and set up enough money that they needed to invest to keep the thing going for that length of time before they can break even, or bad management. You know, they don't know how to manage a business, and therefore it goes under and it goes out of business. It's the same thing with online marketing too. Guys, if you're going to start a business, you need to be committed to it and invest some money in yourself. You're going to have to. There's no such thing as getting rich for free. Okay, that just doesn't exist. So you just get that out of your mind right now. You're going to have to invest a little bit of money into yourself. When you put some skin in the game, then you will be more apt to succeed, because it'll help you stay committed to the business, because you've got money involved and you want to recoup that money, right? As well as make more money or make a lifestyle change for yourself. Financial freedom. Most people are after. That's what I'm after, right? So if you're going to start a business, stick to that business and realize that it's going to take time. Don't get discouraged. There's going to be times when you're going to be discouraged, but don't let that stop you. Take this type of commitment. I'll do it or I'll die trying to do it. It's whichever comes first. Okay? Now, when you start a business, it's recommended, if you're looking for an online business, it's recommended that you start a YouTube channel. You see here? A YouTube channel is it's probably the best platform to get started in online marketing, because there's so many different things that you can do. There's so many different things you can learn from it as well, and you have your own channel, and it gives you the ability to put value into the market. You're going to have to spend some time, maybe years, plural, and give value into the market so that people get to know you, like you, and trust you. Then they will buy from you. Okay? And you've got to put value you got to give value. If you don't have a lot of money to invest for example, to get jump started right off the way and making a lot of money, if you don't have that kind of money, then you have to give something. You have to give your time. Time in giving value in exchange for money. Then the money comes, and then you take that money and you reinvest it back into your business to make it scale up and grow stronger and bigger, and consequently make more money. But this, folks, takes time. It's not going to be happening overnight. And the person that left that comment on my YouTube video, I hope that they get to watch this video and that they understand this. It's going to take time. It's not going to be something that's going to happen overnight. Now, you can build your business starting on YouTube, and then you can branch into Pinterest and start there, get an account there. All these places are free to start your business. Okay? Or Twitter, or Facebook, whatever. You can mainly with YouTube. And get used to showing your face on video. It's better. I mean, you can do it without showing your face if you want. If it bothers you to let people see you, you can do that. Just let them hear your voice. Just show your screen and give value in whatever it is that you're trying to teach, or whatever entertainment, whatever niche that you're in, that you're trying to help other people with. Let them at least hear your voice if you're afraid to show your face on a camera. Okay? Now, the other thing too is, I'm going to give you an example. I talked about a moment ago about putting value in and putting your skin, your money into the game to help yourself, because you're going to have to spend a little bit of money to get your business going. There's just no two ways about it. Now, up there at the top of your browser, you see where I say click the link down in the description where you see it says Mentor with Kev to see my #1 recommended business, right? Well, I have my own platform here on my website where I build my own funnels, my marketing funnel for Legendary Marketer. That's what you see when you click on Mentor with Kev. It's all about Legendary Marketer. So let me give you an example. Why do I have Legendary Marketer as my business? Well, #1, I believe in it, and #2, I have some skin in it. All right, I've invested into it because I believe in it. I believe that it's a great platform, which it is. Now, what is Legendary Marketer, and why do I push Legendary Marketer? Legendary Marketer is a education platform. That's all. It's probably the greatest education platform on the internet, created by Dave Sharp, that you can get the equivalent of a master's degree in college in online marketing. Okay? And you can see here that here is my funnel. You see the stats. There's every one of these people here. This is today's date. I've had 18 people so far, and yesterday, and it goes back for 2 weeks here. These are all people who have clicked on my funnel, my front page of my funnel, and went through, and only a few of them have put their name and email address into my capture page and went farther into the funnel to see what all's involved. Now, why doesn't everybody purchase into it? Well, there's two reasons why. Number one, they're scared, they don't know if it's right for them or not. Or number two, they don't believe in themselves enough to take a chance on themselves. Or they may think that it's going to cost too much money. Folks, if you're going to start a business, just count on it. You're going to have to put a little bit of skin in the game. That's just the way it is. Skin in the game will help you stay committed. If somebody was to give you something for free, you're not going to value it. Well, you may for a little bit, but that's going to wear off because you don't have anything in it. You don't have any commitment into it. And therefore, usually people that are given something for free, it's going to fall off eventually, and they're just going to forget about it and not do it because they don't have the value. They don't have any value in it. They haven't put their money into it. Okay? So the same thing here. People have clicked on my funnel here. These are all the people who clicked on it. And only one or two of the people in these days over the last 2 weeks has signed up and went through and looked at the business a little farther. Guys, in Legendary Marketer, Legendary Marketer will get you the education. It's an education platform on how to market online. It's the best one online of all of them. And right here, it only costs $7. You see, here's the order form right here for Legendary Marketer. This is at the bottom of my funnel. And you can read more testimonies right here as well. There's testimonies of other people who have gotten involved with Legendary Marketer and what they think of it. And if you look right here, it's only $7. Only $7. Can you afford to invest just $7 to get a 15-day business challenge where you can go through 15 days of steps that will give you enough marketing education and skills? And not only on top of that, but you get a mentor, you get a coach for that $7 who will give you his experience and answer your questions. And the coach himself is already a 6 or 7 figure marketer working with Legendary Marketer, and his job is to help you succeed. And his main job is to help you stay motivated and stay committed to your business so that you don't quit and you don't get discouraged and give up. You cannot give up. If you're going to commit to it. I'll do it or I'll die. But you cannot give up. Join Legendary Marketer today for the $7. Begin to get the skills and the education that you need in those 15 days. That's all it is. 15 days of steps. And by the end of the 15th day, you'll know what business you want to be in. You don't have to market Legendary Marketer like I'm doing if you don't want to. But get the education from Legendary Marketer that will help you succeed in whatever online business that you want to do. It'll help you succeed. Alrighty, guys. Well, that's what I had for you today, guys. I wanted to help you see how it is, how it really is. This is the truth, okay? There's no bullshit here. I'm telling you exactly the way that it is. You've got to stay committed to your own self for the long haul if you want to change your life for the better. Alrighty, guys, that's what I had for you today. Click the link down there where it says Mentor with Kev. Come through my funnel. Sign up for the $7 and get that 15 days worth of education, which is enough to get you going and get your first sale and get started in your own online business, which will also help you stay committed as well. Alrighty, guys, commitment is the whole name of the game for the long term, not the short term, the long term. Alrighty, guys. reach down there, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to click the bell. Give me a thumbs up if you like these videos I'm making, and don't forget to comment down there below your comments on what you think about my video here or any of my videos. Okay? Alrighty guys, I'm going to let you go with that, and I'll see you again here in a couple of days on the next exciting video. You guys take care and have a prosperous day today. Bye-bye now.